Hello, bro.
Hello.
What is that? It looks like magic. Can you explain to me?
Hello there. So what you see right here is our anti-gravity table, and it's sadly not held together by magic, but something just as magical: tension. Now if you look here, this table of ours is held together by strings and also the PP cardboard. When you place a load on it, this string will provide the tension to balance out the weight that you provide on it. It is known as the load bearing structure. Now you see these strings over here? These strings are the ones that provide tension to provide stability when you place the weight. Now if you turn around here, you might even notice a solar panel. This solar panel is used to generate solar energy, and so that you can charge your appliances such as your table lamps or even your table fans. Now you might be wondering, why did we even develop this? Now let me tell you why. With our concept that has been developed by our team, and it is called sustainability. What does that mean? Sustain, because we use tension that is provided by this string to sustain and hold our structure together. Now these strings that we use are able to cut materials used by 50%. Not only that, with the energy that is generated by this solar panel, we are able to work towards a more renewable and more sustainable future with this project of ours. Now, let me take you on a deep dive of the hows and whys of how we managed to create this project together. Let's go!
First, for the materials, we use PP cardboard as the main structure for the top and base, cotton string as the string to create tension, and glue to assemble all the components securely. Next, for the procedure, we started with the design planning stage. The table was designed based on principle of equilibrium. Then we assembled the structure by attaching one center string and several side strings between the top and base using glue. The central string supports the load, while the side strings stabilize the structure. After that, we adjusted the structure to ensure it was balanced before testing. For the load testing, we placed a 50-gram weight at the center and increased the load by 50-gram increments. At each stage, we observed the stability, string condition, and any deformation. From our result, the structure was stable at 50 gram and 100 gram. At 150 gram, the tension started to build up at the central string, and the structure became slightly slanted. At 200 gram, the structure collapsed due to excessive tension and imbalance. Therefore, we determined that 150 gram is the maximum load the structure can support while maintaining stability.
Moving on, we anticipated to create and design the illusion of a floating table, which gives a futuristic and eye-catching effect. The system is powered by integrated solar panels, which allows it to convert sunlight into electricity. This makes it energy self-sufficient and suitable to use in places like cafes or outdoor environments. Therefore, several challenges must be addressed. Stability is a major concern, in which levitation systems are extremely sensitive, highly delicate, and complex, meaning even small disturbance can cause the table to tilt or collapse. Misalignment between components can also lead to uneven forces, which disrupt the balance and affect the performance. Lastly, solar efficiency is limited. The system depends heavily on sunlight intensity, which means charging can be slow or inconsistent, especially in nights.
In conclusion, our anti-gravity solar table project was successfully completed. We managed to achieve all our objectives, including building a stable and visually appealing tensegrity structure. The table remained balanced by applying the principle of tensegrity, which uses tension and compression forces. We also successfully integrated a solar panel that can generate electricity to charge devices, making the table both functional and environmentally friendly. This project helped us understand how physics concepts like tension and photovoltaic effect can be applied in real-life design. Overall, our anti-gravity solar table provides a creative and practical solution, especially in places where charging ports are limited.